Anora, 2024. This is quite a wild ride. Mikey Madison stars as the eponymous Annie, or Anora. She works in a club, and one day she gets asked by the boss if she can go with a customer who wants a Russian speaker. And she speaks Russian, although she protests that she's not comfortable. She doesn't roll her R's. She's not a proficient Russian speaker. Still, she meets the young man who has wanted her services, and they get on very well, so well that he asks if he can use her exclusively for a week. And she says 15 grand, that is, cash up front. And he seems to scoff, but then says deal. And so they have a week together. It's lovely. And afterwards, I mean, she's really impressed by his place. She doesn't know how come he's got this fabulous place. What's he do to earn his money? Well, she finds out soon enough because he proposes to marry her, and they go to Las Vegas and get married. But then news travels back to his parents, and that is not good, since it isn't his place, it isn't his pad. And then a huge narrative starts. There's a huge set of circumstances. It's a delightful mishmash of characters. And Annie, or Nora, she's a hardball negotiator, as we know from early on. And she she's quite scared at the point where these two Russian mafioso heavies come knocking on Ivan's door. Um, Thing is, he runs off, and so she's left to fight them off herself. And she's really good. She's such a spirited fighter. She's so good at self-defense. She knows how to look after herself. I love her. I think the way she's portrayed um, is brilliant. And I think anyone who can really make the best effort to look after themselves in unexpected circumstances. She landed in this situation, and what happens after this is a kind of wild goose chase around the city, because she needs to find this young man, and the parents, they're also on the hunt, and they end up one place they smash up. It's the people in it, they don't deserve it, but there's a sort of quite strong threat, because the everyone's searching for Ivan, and people are searching for Annie, and the whole situation is just complicated, but in the most delightful way. And then there's also this development of unexpected chemistry between a couple of the characters. There's the parents, they're really keen for an annulment. They don't believe this marriage should have taken place. And the way there's this conflict of language and of expectations between the people. So it's it's really good fun. Um, I think Annie's great, and Anora is pretty awesome. I think a lot of the acting is really good. I was engrossed by the whole film. I thought it was really, really marvelous film. And the ending, there's a little bit of conflicting feelings I had about the very end. Well, it's all right. I mean, it was almost partly was expecting. I mean, there's some confusion and that bit at the end. Well, it's kind of happy ending, I guess. Well, who's to know? But well, um, it's a really good film. I'm going to score it 9. Almost said 8.75 again. No, it's a 9. It's really good. I thought the acting was fab. I'd love to know what you think if you've seen this film. Please like if you like this review. Um, Thanks if you subscribe, and please let me know your thoughts in the comments. And um, hope to see you again soon. I've been making a few of these live streamed reviews, and I'm going to make some more edited reviews as well in sometime in the next few days. But I want to continue this. I might even move this to my Cali Seconds channel just to see which format is most successful. So, any thoughts on this? I'd love to know. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.